Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 12 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish adding these trims right here for the windows. It could also be a sunshade, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it a little bit. I'm gonna form a different slope on the roof. So what I'm gonna do is we're going to go to south elevation, and then we're gonna go to architecture, and then click on roof, drop down, and then roof by extrusion. And then here we're gonna pick a plane, and we're going to click on this plane right here and put it in level 3. Press OK, and then now we'll be able to draw our roof. So here we have roof number 1. Let's leave it at roof number 1, or maybe a different roof depending on what we want. I might change, so this is clad white. I'm going to create another roof, roof number 2, and this one, let's change the material to asphalt. Shingles. This one. Press OK, and then OK. And then the thickness, let's leave it at 100 or maybe 200. Let's edit this thickness to 200. Press OK, and then OK. And then now we just need to create a line. I'm planning to connect it from here up to right here. And I wanted to align it from here. So let's try and align it, AL. And there we go. And we're probably going to edit the way this looks. So as of now, I want to extend it a little bit, but I want to know the angle. So this angle is around 73 degrees from here. It's because I want to do the same angle right here on this side. So at least we'll be able to do it similar to this. So now you just need to click finish, and then as you can see, it will create our roof right there. Let's go to 3D. So 3D view, and we'll be able to extend this. So we can extend or retract and extend this one all the way right here. So now this one looks good. Now we need to attach this one right here at the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the wall and click on attach top base, and then select the roof. So we're going to do it all of this. So click on wall, attach, and then click on top. It is asking us to delete the split element because what we did here, just delete it for now, and you could just do the split element later on, or split face. So now let's do this one as well, and delete splitting right there. We're going to do it on the other side as well. So we just need to give it some time. We're probably going to extend this at the top and curve it as well, or just slant it as well. We're probably going to delete this extrusion right here, but we're going to add it again. But for now, let's go back to south elevation, and let's add the same thing on this side. So go to architecture, roof drop down, roof by extrusion. That's what we need. Select this wall, leave it at level 3, and press OK. And then remember that we have the angle 73, and then here we'll be able to do the angle 73. So now we have the same angle. Move it onto that corner right there so that everything is good. We could extend this one so that the look is nicer, and it's up to you if you want to align it right here, but just to be consistent, let's align that. Click finish and go to 3D view, and now we just need to extend all of them. And as you can see, we need to extend this one a little bit there. So align, I want to align this one, but because this one is because they have a difference, I'm just going to extend it all the way like that. I'm just eyeballing it, and then here align it as well onto the back so that to give it a much nicer look. So now we just need to click on walls, attach it to the roof. Click the wall, attach top face, and then click on the roof. It will extend itself, and as you can see, it's very easy. So just do it on all angles, and because of what we're doing, as you can see, it looks much better. So I'm going to select the wall again, attach roof until we have everything attached already. And it even split everything up so that you don't need to have multiple walls. So that's much better. So what I want here is I want to extend this upwards. So the top offset may be 300 more. So why not 300 more? There we go. And then this one, 300 more. But as you can see, this part is the only one that is going up. So that's good enough for me. I wish I could just add in a wall right here, and then change the surface to this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in stones on this side, or maybe that's too much. So I'm gonna think of a best way to represent this. Let's rather have the plank wood on this. So let's see what we could come up with, but this one actually, it doesn't look nice when we have that. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. We could just change the material in front of here and it will look nice. Now let's go back to south elevation, and what I want to do is we're probably going to delete this first. We could edit. I'm gonna delete first one and then click finish. The reason for that is so that I could edit the profile and I could see it much better. Here you just need to slant it parallel to this way. Remove constraint and then trim and extend TR on this. There we go. If we look at it at 3D, it will look like that. But obviously, because of this, it doesn't look similar. So here, I just want to bring it all the way to the top. I want to be proper with this, so click on west elevation or east elevation actually, and I want it to be connected properly. AL, because it's slanted, it's not letting me, so I'm just going to manually extend this like that. Look at it at 3D and see how it looks. That looks really good. What we can do next is we could just see if I could do this. What I could do is change the wall joints on here. Because it's looking different. So change it. Next is proper. It's much better. And then we're going to do this on the other side as well. But I'm thinking on how am I going to do this as well. So I need to add curtain grid. So around 500 in between. There we go. And then another curtain grid right here, 500. Delete element, and we just need to add all of that later on. So to add, click on mullion, maybe grid line. There we go. We're fixing that, and there. I think because of that, I think that's fine enough. Maybe if I could just delete this, what will it look like? This looks good as well. Like having this one, huge one, but I rather have something right here. And then we need to fix the roof right here. Edit footprint, and what we need to do is just leave it on this side, because we have the roof on the middle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move this one, delete that, and then anything that has the roof on the middle would be deleted, because my reference is on this middle right here. So I'm going to trim this, and then here we just need to trim this as well. AL, There we go. Click finish, detach target, and then so something that looks like that. We need to undo it because we need to give it some more. I'm going to go past here. There we go. Click finish, detach. I think that's good enough. This wall, we could detach it from this one. So we could basically just pull that one down and this one as well. Pull it down. So something we could do later on. But yeah, this is the way this one will look. What we could do is we could change this to roof, and then we could make it offset the top. We could base offset negative 200. Now it will be flat like that, and that looks much better for me. And then now the roof will look like this, and everything is attached on those. I'm happy with it. Of course, you could still make it a nicer ceiling, but just having that, it looks much better. So now I'm going to edit in place, and then I'll probably going to sweep. I'm gonna sketch a path, not sketch it, sorry. I want to pick the path and pick 3D, and I want to not pick this one, but pick the wall. There we go. We need to be careful here because this one, I don't want to just click anything. I want to click the wall itself, not the mullion. So this one, I click this. So I just need to click that one, and we could just trim it later on. There we go. Pick this line again. You can differentiate all of them, as you can see. And hopefully that connects, which it doesn't. Let's trim this and see if it will touch, which it doesn't. So that's fine. So I still need to fix this one. So there's a lot of fixing first before we can do this. AL. So that's the only problem that I'm having on this. But as you can see, this one looks nice. So let's stop here for now and continue in the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.